Hi friends, welcome to another day for triangles, and we are going to now continue from where we left yesterday. So let's get into it.
Now, this is a very interesting question which I like. So let me just read out the question for you guys. The question says, a girl of height 90 centimeter is walking away from the base of a lamp post at a speed of 1.2 meter per second. If the lamp is 3.6 meters, so therefore I have put it in meters here. The lamp is 3.6 meter above the ground. Find the length of a shadow after 4 seconds. So the girl had started from this position, right? She was here. And then after 4 seconds, she moved here. So what I've shown is the after 4 seconds. So what is after 4 seconds? What is this distance? Distance equal to speed into time, 1.2 into 4, 4.8. So this is 4.8. So let us assume the length of the shadow is x. Okay. Now this is obviously 90 degree. This is 90 degree. Okay. This angle is equal. So triangle, let's just mark it A, B, C, D. Maybe I'll make it PQ or whatever. PQ. Okay. So triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQC. How? Angle B equal to angle Q equal to 90. Angle C common. Angle A equal to angle P. Therefore, and taking this happens. So they are similar. So just take the ratios. AB by sides का ratio लेते हैं is equal to BC by QC, which is what 3.6 divided by 0.9 equal to this is the length of the shadow. Got it, guys. Got it. Okay, I hope you understood. देखो बोर्ड से जब मैं इस पे आ रही हूँ तो इसमें काफ़ी डिफरेंस है. This is my first classes. These are my first chapters that I am doing by this methodology. Okay, let's move to exercise 6.3. Here we have been given the sides. We have to check कि भाई सिमिलर है कि नहीं और किस ऑर्डर में फिर देखना पड़ेगा. तो दिख ही रहा है आपको, ये 2.5 इसके साथ है, ये 2 इसके साथ है और ये 3 इसके साथ है. तो दिखें कैसे? A, B, C. ठीक है. A, B किसके साथ है? QR के साथ है. तो इट कैन बी रिटन एज QR, इट कैन बी रिटन एज R. सो लेट्स मूव ऑन. पहेली अभी तक खत्म है. BC किसके साथ है? PR के साथ है. तो यानी कि इट हैज़ टू बी लाइक दिस, बिकॉज यहाँ पे PR नहीं हो सकता ना. सो इट्स लाइक दिस. सो दिस इट इज सिमिलर टू दिस. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle QRP because AB by QR, AB by QR 1 by 2, BC by RP, BC by RP 1 by 2, 2.5 by 5, and AC by PQ, AC by PQ 1 by 2. Got it? Let's move on. So there are certain more questions in exercise 6.3. First, I have just mentioned one and I mentioned one more as an example. You can easily do the others. Simply क्या है? SSS, AAA, SSS or SAS. These are the 3 modes to prove. You have to use these to check whether they are similar or not. I am not going through all. Let me know if you have any questions, queries. Right? So let me know that. Okay. Now in this, it's given that BOC is 125 degree. CDO is 70. ठीक है. Triangle OBC a single triangle OBA, right? So if you look at the order, what does it mean? That ये जो 70 है वो ये वाला ये भी 70 होगा, right? Because ODC is similar to OBA. So angle D is equal to B, so this is 70, and this angle is equal to this angle, right? And this angle is obviously equal to this angle. Now this angle is 125. These two angles are equal. This is also 125, vertically opposite angles. What is this pura? 360. Let's take this at x. 2x plus 2 into 125 is equal to 360. What is this? 250, 250 इधर गया, 110 हुआ. 2x is equal to, so x is equal to 55. So we know that this is 55. This is 55. This is 55. So how do you find the pending angle? Right? 125 हो गया ये. So 180 minus 125 क्या है? Incidentally, that is also 55. So what is DOC? DOC 55, BCO 55, OAB 55. That's the answer. Moving to question number 3 of exercise 6.3. It's given that there is a trapezium ABCD where AB is parallel to CD. Right? The diagonals have been joined. So the question is that we need to prove that OA by OC equal to OB by OD. This is what we have to prove. Okay. So let's look at it. So if you look at just in the figure, right? So this is parallel to this. That means this angle is equal to this angle, right? And this angle is equal to this angle because of the vertically, not vertically, it's complementary angles, right? So this angle is equal to this angle, this angle is equal to this angle. So if we just consider, so first we'll write it down. Angle BAC is equal to angle, BAO is equal to angle OCD. And angle BODC equal to angle BBA. So if we consider triangles OAB and triangle OCD, we can see that OAB is equal to OCD. This angle is equal. So if you look at this triangle, BAO is equal to BCO, right? Or OAB is equal to OCD. And so for these two are similar, right? These by AAA criterion, or even if you want to do by AAA, that's also there. So this is similar to this. Now the order in which how it is written, I'm just showing it again. O and O is what these are vertically opposite angles. Angle OAB, which is this, is equal to this because AB is parallel to CD. Angle ABO, which is this. Have I not mentioned ABO? Yeah, this is ABD, but this is ABO actually. So angle ABO is equal to angle ODC. Angle ABO is equal to angle ODC. You can mention ODC as what else? OCD also. ABO is equal to CDO. Let me just show you once. Angle BOA is equal to angle BOC, vertically opposite. I think you've got the gist, but I'm just writing it for so that how do we arrive at it, right? How do we arrive at the order of the alphabets? And angle again the same reason. So hence This is proved. This is now if this is similar. So then what would it be? OA by OC equal to OB by OD. That's proved. Let's move on to the next question. Now it's given question number 4. I'm looking at this, right? Just draw the screen first, right? So there's a point P here which sort of intersects here at, sorry, it's not, it's a little steeper, S, and then S, and then P also joins this, okay? And what have they said is that this angle 1 and this angle, like this coming from here, 2, angle 1 equal to angle 2, and they have also said QR by QS is equal to QT by PR, right? So we have to prove triangle PQS is similar to triangle TQR. Okay. Now how do we prove this? Let's look at triangle PQS and PQR. PQS is similar to triangle TQR. Already we know for a fact that PQS is equal to angle PQR because they are same angle. Okay. PQR, right? Now we also know that PQ is equal to PR if we look at triangle PQR. How do we know? Because it's given that angle 1 equal to angle 2 and hence this is PQ is equal to PR, like this and this are equal. Okay, that's one thing which we know. Now what have we been given? QR by QS is equal to QT by PR. So let's just first, because we know that we have to prove that PQS is similar to TQR. TQR is the bigger one. So let's arrange it in that manner. Or we can see QR is for the bigger triangle, QS is for the smaller triangle. Already we can see from here, right? Now what is QT by PR? QT by PR, QT is another side of the bigger triangle and PR is this. So what can we say PR as? PQ also, right? So QT by PQ, because PR is equal to PQ. So now when we look at this, if we look at triangle PQS and triangle TQR, we have a common angle. The sides are also divided in the same proportion, right? QR by QS. If you look at QR by QS, it's this side is equal to QT by QP or QP, whatever. And hence is similar to triangle PQR. By what property? Which similarity criterion? SAS similarity criterion.
Hopefully आपको आज के कॉन्सेप्ट समझ आ गए हों. If you have any questions, queries, doubts, if you want me to solve any question again, explain any concept again, let me know in the comment section below, or you can send me an email, or you can mention or comment in any of my social media handles. Till then, like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel.